What's up guys, CJ here. So this is going to be a quick video to show you how to link your MT5 account, and it is very easy, and it is the same way as you would log into your MT5 account normally. So this is not rocket science. If you come to the Sanctum, just scroll down to the MT5 connection. You can read through this if you do not know how to do it yet, and if you have any issues, come back here. See if you can find the answer, but I'm sure you will. In any case, come to the barracks. You're going to click add. You want to add an extra warband. You can give it a name. Let's make it so. The source. If you leave the source at demo, then that means you will be able to enter your details manually, but none of those stats. The stats will store, or the stats will count in your stats section, but it will not count towards your progress or unlocks, chest unlocks, or any of those. So for now, we click MT5. Now, if you are trading on a prop firm and you want to enter those details in here, meaning your floor, that's the maximum that or the minimum, you can't go lower than that. Your max risk that you want to have for each trade, your first target, your second target, and then the prop firm name, if you want to add that. So next, what we are going to do, we are going to add our MT5 details in here. After you have entered your details, you can scroll down and then you can click connect. This is now going to connect directly to your MT5 terminal. And what is also happening here, if you do not have your MT5 terminal open currently on your PC, it is going to open it automatically, connect to it automatically, and then it is automatically synced. So as long as you see your balance and it's the correct balance, then you know that you have a successful connection. And again, this is a read only, so none of your funds can be transferred out of your wallet, or trades can be done on your behalf. You've got full control, and your user details do not leave your PC at all. We do not store any of your user details, your passwords, and your login details. Below here, you see that send a Telegram alert. So for me, I've already got this set up. I have a separate video to show you how to set this up. And all this does is that whenever an alert trigger or a trade gets executed, or you want to alert gets fired and you want to receive a screenshot, that is when you want to have this selected. And if you have this set up, like I said, I'll show you in another video, but then you can receive those alerts to your Telegram, to your phone, to your Telegram channel. So if you are not in front of the PC and you want to receive those alerts, you can receive them on your phone, and then you can act accordingly after that. So after you've entered your details, you've got your details, just click save, make sure it is saved, and then you can exit. You will see that your account has been added. That will update when the account refreshes. Let's come back here again. There you see it has updated. So that is correct, and it is online. That is how you link your MT5 account with Around Forge World. It's as easy as that. The only thing is now you are not looking at a but ugly exchange screen with all these flickering lights, and it looks like a bloody casino. You know, this is much more relaxing, and it's not so stressful as it is to trade on an exchange. So that's how we link the MT5. Until next time, guys, cheers.